What's the difference between a good gaming video and a great one? Often, it's the small details. A boring, default face cam makes your content look amateur, but a clean, dynamic picture-in-picture makes it look pro. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from this to this. Alright, let's start. We say gaming only because we had a subscriber reach out about a tutorial on picture-in-picture, but this will work for any style of video. Also, if you watch until the end, we'll share how you can get this animated version as well. This first variation is if your Final Cut Pro is updated to at least 11.0. This effect was part of that update. It's really easy. Just go over to your effects section. Scroll down to where you see reframe. Now, just drag the picture-in-picture effect onto your facecam clip and that's it. Just kidding. You'll notice at the corners, you have these purple cursor. This is where you can scale and position the clip. You can also customize it as well. Head over to the inspector panel. From here, you can choose to leave the build in and build out. Roundness, outline width, and many more. This second variation is for outdated Final Cut Pro. After importing both your clips onto the timeline, with your facecam clip selected, on your keyboard, push Shift+T. This will bring up your transform controls in the viewer window. You'll notice the purple dots. From here, you can scale and position your facecam clip. Now let's make it look clean. A simple border helps separate your facecam from your main video. Go to your generators. In the search, type in shapes and drag it onto the timeline above your facecam clip. Next, go over to your inspector panel. Change the shape to square. Uncheck where it says fill. Next, you'll want to scale and position the border over your facecam. Afterward, you can change the outline color to your liking. You can also change the outline width as well. Shadow, you get the point. Now, I know setting this up every time can be a grind. To save you a ton of time, I've built two professional drag and drop picture-in-picture effect you can use in your projects. There's a clean rectangular one and a stylish circular one. The best part is the borders are already animated with a subtle pulse, and you can easily change the colors to match your brand in just a couple of clicks in the inspector panel. It's a huge shortcut to getting that pro look without the repetitive setup. I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab them. And there you have it, picture-in-picture. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks fam, and we'll see you on the next one.